Hello and welcome to a new video where I will show you how to install and configure my latest plugin, Nasaomatic NASA Post Importer for WordPress. To install it, click Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose File, navigate to the zip file you downloaded, click Install Now. After the quick installation process, activate the plugin, go to Plugin Settings. Here we have the full option range of the plugin. We can already start importing posts, but I recommend that you include an API key from NASA. If you don't do this, you will be limited to 20 calls per day. So the limitation will affect the post importing. Only 20 posts can be imported a day. If you insert a API key, 1000 posts can be imported per day. So the limitation is greatly increased. To get an API key, click here. Fill in the required form. I include my another mail and click sign up. You received an API key. Copy this and paste it here. Save info. Now we can start creating rules. We can go to picture of the day. Before this, I want to show you my blog. This is my blog that is from this control panel. And now we go to picture of the day. Let's import the picture of the day from NASA. We can select today, or we can input here any date we want. Let's select today. If we select today and we schedule this post every 24 hours, so this rule will run every 24 hours and it will import the current post for today. So each day we will get the NASA's picture of the day. Okay, so we can select here the schedule. We can select if we want HD picture. We can select the post status, pending, draft, publish, private, trash, item type, post page, or any other custom page type. The author, I'm the only user on this page. More options. Here we have shortcodes. These with the % codes are shortcodes. With shortcodes you can customize each title depending on the item you just imported. This is the content of the new article. It also has shortcodes. Accepted post types. You can select what post type to publish, image, video, or any. Strip images from content. Limit title word count. You can limit the title word count. Generated post format. You can select a post format. Additional post category. You can add an additional post category. Auto add categories from title. Auto add tags from title. Additional post tag. You can include here tags. Enable comments, ping back, trackbacks. Auto get featured image. And default featured image if not, none is available. Let's copy link of this image and include it here. So if no image will be available for the post, let's say if it is a video post, this default image will be set as featured image for that post. Save the rule and let's run this rule now. If we don't run it now, in 24 hours it will be automatically run. It already finished, and let's refresh our blog. And this is the featured, the post of the day from NASA. It got generated already. It's pretty nice. Okay, now let's move on. Blue Marble. Here we can get images from the Earth, taken from a satellite NASA has. Let's input to the date also today. Save the rule. The options for these are similar. We can select here natural color if we want. Let's post only one post at a time, and let's run this rule now. The post is running and it's finished. Let's go back to our blog, and the post is created with a beautiful picture of the Earth. Okay, next, NASA Earth. We can input a latitude and longitude. Let's input 44 random coordinates. We can select also image date. If we don't select one, the most recently taken image will be published. Okay, let's save settings and let's run this rule now. Something got no image for specified date. Okay, in this case we must select another coordinates. Let's say 10, because I selected at random and not every coordinate has an image. Okay, it seems that these coordinates had an image. Let's refresh our blog, and this is the image of the picture. So at these coordinates you have this image, like Google Earth, only it's from NASA. Okay, you can select here any image you want. Okay, let's move on. Rover images. You can select a rover and get images from what it took on its mission. Let's select Curiosity. Okay, you can select a Sol day. Sol day is the number of days of its mission. It has more than 1000 mission days, each rover. So let's leave it at day 0. So first day on its arrival. You can select also the camera that you want. Front hazard avoidance, rear hazard, mast. Each rover has many cameras. Okay, let's save this rule and let's run this rule now. The rule is running. Rule running shouldn't take very long, only maximum 1 minute. It should be done. Okay, we will generate 10 posts for this because I forgot to lower this value. Now we can go to our blog and we will see posts getting generated. These are very similar, but from the chemistry camera, and it is finished. Let's select here navigation camera because it has prettier images, I think. Let's delete this post that we just generated. Let's set one post at a time and run this rule again. We have no images from the navigation. Let's select then front hazard avoidance camera. Let's see if we have images from the, yes, we had. Okay, now let's refresh our blog, and the front hazard avoidance camera return this picture. Okay, now let's get some space sounds. Space sounds are from SoundCloud, so let's hear about Earth a bit. Advanced settings are the same. Save. Only one, do not take so long to run, and run this rule now, and already is done. We have here the Voyager 1 spacecraft. Tsunami waves space sound. Okay. Now let's get back. And the final option is to search NASA for any video, audio or image they have in their database. So let's search Venus. Let's say I want media type only videos, only images. Let's say only images from Venus. And I have many custom search options. We can specify the start year and year, NASA center that published the article or the media, search in title, creator, photographer, NASA ID, location, keywords, description, many options that we have here. Save our settings, and let's create only 3. Let's see, make 3 and run this rule now. And the rule already run, and we have 3 images from Venus. Okay, and their description. Okay, finally we have the activity and logging. We have no specify. We can see here the errors that we got from the API. Okay, now get back to the main settings, and I'll explain the options we have here. We can force the plugin to not check for duplicate posts. In this case, it will post the same thing over and over. I recommend you not check this checkbox. Strip links from generated post content. Show extended item information meta box. The meta box is this. I'll show you in a bit. Is this meta box. You can disable this meta box from here. Enable logging for rules. You can disable the logging feature. You can enable a detailed logging. In this case, the plugin will log each action it takes. You can automatically clear logs. Timeout for rule running. If the rule takes too long to run, it will be automatically stopped after this much seconds. You can send a summary rule running summary to this email address. Minimum title word count, maximum title word count, minimum content word count, maximum content word count, banned word list, required word list. These are restrictions for posts. If posts don't meet these restrictions, then they won't be published. You can resize the featured image to occupy less space on your server. You can strip HTML content by ID or class from the final content. Skip posts that do not have images. Skip posts that are older than this date. Automatically translate content using Google Translate in any language. Hide Google Translate pop-up. Spin text using built-in text spinner or 3 other methods. The embedded audio video player width and height. Show full screen button. Loop media. Autoplay media. Show media controls for video and audio. These will be applied. We have also random sentence generator. You can input here sentences with variables and define the values for the variables here, and at random the sentence will be chosen from here, and also the variables will be replaced at random. You can define custom HTML codes, you can define add codes here too with these shortcodes. And finally, an affiliate keyword replacer tool. Define a keyword, replace it with another one, and add a link to it. Okay, so this is all. I hope you will enjoy it. Hope that we hear the best of you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.